safety is paramount too. The Blade battery's lithium iron phosphate chemistry means long life and enhanced safety, famously passing nail penetration tests without fire or smoke. It's one of the safest battery technologies on the market today, giving you peace of mind on every journey. Expect around 300 miles of real-world range, so you can go further between charges. Upgraded brakes and sport-tuned steering ensure the drive is not just efficient, but genuinely engaging and responsive, whether you're commuting or carving up back roads. The BYD Seal Performance is made for enthusiasts who crave thrills, cutting-edge tech, and uncompromising safety without paying a premium just for a badge. It's a car that invites you to enjoy driving again. Despite its substantial weight, the Seal's engineering brilliance makes it feel nimble and responsive, with quick reactions to every steering input. It's a testament to how far EV dynamics have come. The BYD Seal Performance is a wake-up call for the industry. The EV market is now truly global, and the competition is fiercer than ever. With cars like this, the future of electric performance is brighter, more exciting, and more accessible to everyone.